Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin, and today we're going to show you how to change the front brakes on my 2010 Honda Pilot. Alright guys, we got the wheel off. I turned the wheel to the right to give me a better access to this. So we're going to use a 17mm to take these two bolts off, and that'll take the caliper off. And just pry this caliper off. When you take this off, don't let it hang because it messes up the brake lines. So just put it up here for now. I want to bungee it up or put it on a bucket or something. So these are your brake pads. I'm pretty sharp. Not much to them. So next step is taking off. We're gonna put new rotors. If you're just gonna change the pads, just slap new pads on it and you put your caliper back on. But we're gonna put new rotors, so we need a, I think it's a 19mm. Alright. I'm gonna need an extension because this piece is in the way. Alright, putting an extension to this and a breaker bar. Alright. Now you can take this bracket off. Put some anti-seize on these last time, so you see the anti-seize. But you don't even have to put these on if you don't want to. If they get stuck and you can't get them off, just drill them out. Now you can take the rotor off. Alright guys, we didn't get any hardware with the new brake pads, so we're gonna have to reuse the old ones. If you get any hardware, just pop these off and just slap the other ones on. So we're just gonna take a wire brush just to clean these up. Alright, that's pretty clean. Alright guys, next step is taking off the slide pins and just clean them up and re-grease them. Make sure the boot goes over it. And do the same thing with the other one. Alright guys, you got your new rotors. Make sure you're spraying with some brake cleaner. These come with some kind of coating from the factory. Just want to clean them up before you put them on. Alright guys, we're going to put the rotor on. Make sure that these holes lined up with where you're going to put the screws in. Might want to put some anti-seize on this. Next up, let's put in this bracket back on. Just like this. Take your bolts and put them in. Alright guys, now these things are compressed. Alright guys, make sure you throw a little grease on this hardware, because the pads are gonna slide in and out. What? Like that. And now you got these little springs. Go one here. Alright guys, next step is putting the caliper back on. Alright guys, that's it. That's how you do brakes on a 2010 Honda Pilot. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later.